Hi, welcome to Biz1Book, a complete business solution for food industries. So now let's have a quick glance at what is this software all about. Biz1Book software can be used to run the business end to end. Biz1Book integrates all the departments. For single outlet or 100 outlets, the control on key raw materials is by recipe, and the control for multi-branch management is by internal transfer. This software is quite simple to set up and access. Biz1Book can be easily accessed from PCs, laptops, tabs, mobiles. So wherever you go, you can control the whole business from anywhere. The main objective of this software is to save time and money, leading to business growth. Biz1Book integrates all the departments like purchase, sales, multi-branch internal transfer, production, maintenance, financial accounting, inventory management, and human resource management. Let's see the impact of employee misuse in restaurants. The National Restaurant Association estimates that employee theft accounts for around 75% of restaurant losses. Another important measure is theft equals to more than 3% of annual revenue. Here's an article from cbsnews.com. Generally, owners assume that they know their employees very well. Some owners assume that it's just a small company and if someone steals, they would certainly know. There are few statistics that will change your assumption. A typical organization loses 5% of its revenue to employee fraud. The US Chamber of Commerce estimates that 75% of employees steal from the workplace and most of them do so repeatedly. Biz1Book provides you a solution to identify such activities and prevent them as early as possible. Let us see how can we control the usage of raw materials using Biz1Book. Let us assume 3 dishes using chicken as the main ingredient. Each portion consumes 300 grams of chicken. At the end of the day, if 30 pieces are sold out, then chicken consumption should be 9 kgs out of 15 kgs. So the expected balance should be 6 kgs. But if you look at the actual stock, only 4 kg is available. Here's the catch. So it's pretty clear that 2 kgs of chicken is missing. This can be identified using Biz1Book. So if we implement for all high cost raw material, we can save huge cost. From our existing customers, we have caught hold of nearly 20 to 30% of the missing raw materials. We challenge you that within 3 to 4 days of implementation, we can show you how much cost can be saved using Biz1Book. Let us see how production happens in Biz1Book. Select production, select create, add product, enter the production quantity. Now you can see 16.5 kgs of raw chicken is required, which is derived from recipes. So under recipes, you will see for making 1 kg of chicken biryani, you will require half kg raw chicken. So for 33 kgs of chicken biryani, you will require 16.5 kgs of raw chicken. So but when you look at the stock, there is only 5 kgs of raw chicken left. So we are going to purchase the raw material. Under purchase, select receive items. Select the vendor, add item, select the product, enter the quantity, select receive. So this will increase the inventory of chicken. Now let's verify the inventory. Under stocks, select the location. Now you can see the chicken inventory has been increased. Now let's do the production. Add the product, enter the quantity, now you can see the stock has been updated. Select create. Now the production is over, so let's verify the inventory. Under stocks, select the location. Now you can see chicken biryani inventory has been increased while the quantity of raw material has decreased. We just viewed the cycle of production, purchase and inventory management. There are undesirable situations in every business which need to be brought to the attention of the management. This is handled in Biz1Book using alerts. Alert screen is a one-stop place for the management to monitor the business. Let's see how product price change alert works. In case if the vendor has increased the price of a raw material without prior notice, it will be brought to your attention in this screen. Here you can see the price of cashew nut has increased. So using the screen you can take necessary action with vendor. Similarly, you have alerts for purchase order delay and credits that are long overdue. Any wastage entry that is made through Biz1Book will also be notified under wastage alerts. Similarly, while updating the stock, if there are any variations, those will be notified under variance alerts. Let's now see how day closing works in Biz1Book. In every outlet, we need to close the account at the end of the day. Biz1Book gives you a perfect solution to do this. Under day closing, select account closing. Enter the date and shift. Click View Transactions. Under Transactions, you can view incoming and outgoing cash transactions. Under Digital Payments, payment made through cards or any other mode of online payments can be viewed. On the right hand side, you can see the summary of the account closing. Here you can see the opening balance, total incoming and outgoing cash, total digital payments, cash in hand on that particular day. Based on this, expected sales will be calculated by Biz1. Once the accountant enters the actual POS sales, any difference will be calculated and notified to the management. Management can investigate and take necessary action if required. We just saw the end-to-end demonstration of Biz1Book. Now I'll tell you why you must choose Biz1Book. Our software implementation time is very minimal. You can easily reduce unwanted expenses and wastages, thus resulting in increased profits. Biz1 provides complete integration with all departments and across all locations. And here comes the best part. Biz1Book offers free implementation and training of the product for 2 months. From our existing customers, we have already proved that we can show significant cost saving results within a week. These are some of our prestigious customers. We hope by now you would have made up your mind to choose Biz1. Come, let's collaborate. Thank you.